Hey folks, in previous videos we learned about what and why to invest, what is compounding, importantly how lethal the inflation effect can be. This video is about the asset classes which will help us grow our wealth. To start off with, cash asset class. Majority of people save money in form of cash such as savings account, hard cash, bank account for liquidity purposes. Although they are safe and easily accessible, but they won't fetch return which grows our wealth beating the inflation. Bank returning 4% return will reduce the buying power of money in long term. Coming to the next one, which is fixed income asset class. In this asset class, the borrower is obliged to provide a fixed amount on a fixed schedule with a fixed return. Debt mutual funds, debentures, FDs, RDs, bonds are some of the fixed income asset classes. Bonds usually return 8 to 9%, although inflation-linked bonds are a better choice as they at least beat the inflation and additional returns will be an alpha. Also, inflation-linked bonds act as a hedge for portfolio. For an example, portfolio returns 15% and inflation is 6%. Ideally, our net return is 9%. Investing in an inflation-linked bond will offset the 6% inflation at least. Coming to the next asset class, which is real estate asset class. This is one of the most illiquid asset classes. Investment in real estate asset class can be investing in a flat, bungalow, or a commercial property. These are cyclic in nature, can provide significant returns over the long term, but illiquidity is the biggest hurdle in real estate asset class. Now, coming to commodity asset classes. Rise in price of commodities and services over the period of time is known as inflation. Gold can act as an hedge against the inflation. Keeping rest factors constant, gold prices tend to increase over the period of time due to inflation. Investing in gold will beat the inflation and grow our wealth, and if invested frequently and systematically for a long term, will result in a good compounding effect. Coming to the last asset class, which is equity exposure asset class, Nifty has gained 17 times since inception. Investing in an asset class having equity exposure will have the potential to beat the inflation and to grow our wealth. There are two ways of having equity exposure. First one is having a direct exposure and the other one is having an indirect exposure. Direct exposure, as the name suggests, we benefit from investing in an equity directly. Many equities have grown significant wealth such as Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Eicher Motors and a lot more. Example of Eicher Motors share which has moved from 150 rupees to 2700 rupees in last decade. Your investment grew by a CAGR of around 33% per year. Coming to indirect exposure, it is getting exposure by not exactly investing in a share directly instead of investing in a vehicle which gives us indirect exposure to the equity. For an example, index fund, ETF, mutual fund. For an example, Axis Blue Chip Fund has returned 15% CAGR since inception. So thank you so much for staying tuned along with us up till here. In the next video, we will learn about what can be the best mixture of allocation of these asset classes. Hit subscribe so the learning content reaches you first. Thank you.